Hi guys, it's Raymond Shea and I just received my elevated dog bowls. These dog bowls come with 2 stainless steel bowls for your food and your water. This dog stand is made with a rustic board and black industrial metal legs to keep everything steady. It has a 10-degree tilt so the dog will be comfortable. Let me go ahead and put it together and show you what it looks like. All you have to do is basically screw the legs onto the board. And it comes with the hardware for you to be able to do everything. And it comes with 5 screws. And voila, here's the elevated dog bowls, guys. I really like this dog bowl. Let's see what Pluto thinks about it.
Is it good, Pluto? Is it good?
Pluto gives his elevated dog bowls a 10 out of 10.